When I have a fescue lawn, I have moss on the north side of the house. What is the best product to use to get rid of moss on a fescue lawn? Thanks. Okay, so great question, Mr. Hayes. When it comes to questions like this, the thing I always do is first trying to help you to understand, like, what is it that's actually causing the moss to be a problem in the first place? Because while there are products you can use for addressing moss, unless we get rid of or correct the conditions that are causing the moss to be a problem in the first place, it's just going to come back. So typically what you find is if you have soil that is more on the acidic side, that is more attractive for moss growth. If you have areas that are heavily shaded, and also areas that don't drain well. So if you have parts of your lawn, it sounds like the north side of your house, that doesn't get a lot of sunlight, a lot of rainfall, and just when it does rain, it just stays damp and moist. That is going to contribute to the conditions that can cause moss to be a problem. So while you can use products to get rid of it, it's one of these things you're going to continually be chasing your tail. Now, for some people, I'm not sure if this is your case, when it comes to like late winter, early spring, it tends to be more of a problem. And then as you get into the hotter parts of the year, the moss issues tend to subside. So if that's you, then yeah, I mean, taking a product in like Moss X and using that to clean things up can be a way to go. But I would encourage you to look at one of those three. Again, soil pH, shade, and then also drainage. Of those three, the pH and the drainage are probably the easier to fix. And if you correct that, then it's going to make it more difficult for moss to be a problem in your lawn. So the product I would say you could use once you've addressed those problems is a product that's designed for algae, moss, from Scott's. And I'll link it here in the chat for you. But that is what I would roll with to get rid of it once you've corrected the conditions that are causing it to be a problem in the first place.